For those traveling to Zimbabwe who don't need a visa for Zimbabwe, you still need to complete a declaration. If you do need a visa for Zimbabwe, I have a video for that and more information is in the description below. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and click on the screen. And so here it just tells you basically everything that you need to know about the form, the information, and what to do once you fill in the form. And so I'm going to scroll on down and I'm going to click start. And so like I said, this video is for those who don't need a visa for Zimbabwe, like South Africans. And so if you do need a visa, I've got more information in the description below, including a video. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and select my nationality. It's now asking me what document type I have. If you're not sure, chances are you probably have an ordinary passport. Go ahead and click on whichever one works for you. Here on this page, I'm just going to include my personal details. And when I scroll on down, it's going to also ask about my travel companions. Everybody does need to complete their own form. You can't bulk it, which it's going to ask some questions about my residential address, my host name, my occupation, and my address in Zim. Notice that these are not compulsory questions, but if you have the information, go ahead and include them. Scrolling on down, they've got a couple more questions, including the amount of currency that you have. Answer this to your best ability, and once you're ready, go ahead and click next. Here on this page, they just want to know your emergency contact, and once you've entered in this information, go ahead and click next. And now here we have a summary. If you want to check that everything is correct, go ahead and click on your data. It will give you a summary of your application. Just make sure everything is correct. If you scroll on down, you can see just some further information about entering Zimbabwe. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on that circle that's pulsating. Next, you're going to click on confirm. Then it just gives you this pop-up, just making you aware that you understand what you're submitting, the validity, all that. Have a read and make sure you understand. And once you're ready, go ahead and click I understand. It's just going to take a second to load, and then it tells you that your application has been successfully submitted and you can proceed to an immigration counter with your travel document, and an officer will conduct the final checks and validate your entry into Zimbabwe. And that's it. It's that easy.